Good afternoon, Mr. and Miss Giraffe.
Please feel free. Can I get you juice or water?
No, thank you, ma'am.
Are you sure you don't need something to drink, young man?
I'm okay. I wanted to speak with you both today about something very important in my life.
What is it you want to talk to us about?
Well, as you know, your daughter and I have been dating for some time now, and I've come to love her deeply. I feel that we have a strong connection, and I want to ask you for permission to marry her.
Well, that's quite a big decision. And what are your plans for the future?
Well, I've been working hard and saving up for a small business venture, and I feel confident that I can provide for your daughter and our future family.
I see. What kind of income do you have right now?
Currently, I don't have a steady income, but I'm actively pursuing my business plans. I have some savings that I can use.
I'm sorry to say this, but you can't approve a request. Our daughter deserves a stable future, and you can't trust that you can provide for our daughter.
I understand your concern, and I respect your decision. But please know that I love her, and I'll do everything in my power to make sure she's happy.
I appreciate your honesty, but we have to think about our daughter's future. We can't allow her to suffer because of financial instability.
I understand your point of view, and I don't want to put any pressure on your decision. I'll continue to work hard and improve my financial situation. Thank you for your time and consideration.
We wish you all the best in your endeavors, young man.
Thank you, sir, and have a good day.